Cable and gable. Cable. Cable can refer to a strong, thick rope made of twisted or braided strands of metal or fiber, typically used for supporting structures or transmitting electricity or information. Examples: the ship was anchored securely to the dock with a thick cable. The cable company installed high-speed internet in our house last week. Gable. Gable refers to the triangular part of a wall that is enclosed between the sloping portions of a roof, typically found at the end of a pitched roof. Examples: the architect designed a beautiful gable on the front of the house. The gable of the barn was adorned with intricate woodwork. Differences. The main difference between cable and gable lies in their meanings and usage. Cable primarily refers to a strong rope used for various purposes like support or transmission, while gable specifically denotes the triangular part of a wall under a roof. These words are not interchangeable due to their distinct meanings and contexts. Cable is more commonly used in everyday language, especially in technology and construction, while gable is a term more specific to architecture and construction. It's important to understand the context in which each word is used to avoid confusion.